In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instantly trigger Make.com from Slack. If you've ever built an automation in Make.com and felt frustrated waiting for scheduled checks to run, this setup is a much faster option. Instead of polling every several minutes, you can create an instant trigger so Slack sends the event to Make the moment it happens. That means your scenario can react in real time when a new message is posted or when a reaction is added. To begin, log into your Make.com dashboard. Once you're inside, click the Create a New Scenario button in the top right corner. In the scenario editor, click the large purple plus icon to add your first module. Search for Slack, select it, and then choose a trigger labeled Instant, such as Watch Public Channel Events. This is the foundation of the workflow, and it tells Make that Slack will be the tool starting the automation. Next, you'll need to connect your Slack account to Make so the platform has permission to listen for events. In the Slack module settings, click Add next to the connection field. Then choose the connection type that fits your use case. User is useful if you want the trigger based on your own actions, while bot is better for monitoring broader workspace activity. After that, click Save. A secure Slack authorization window will open. Choose the workspace you want to use, review the requested permissions carefully, and then click Allow to complete the connection. Once the account is connected, it's time to configure the webhook settings. Under the webhook section, click Add. Give the webhook a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Then select the exact event type you want to track, like a new message being posted or a new reaction being added. After that, choose the specific Slack channel you want this trigger to monitor and click Save. Make will handle the webhook registration in the background, so you don't need to manually create a URL in Slack. Then click OK on the main module block. Now test everything before building the rest of your workflow. In the bottom left corner of the Make Scenario Editor, click Run once. The module will enter a listening state. Go to Slack, open the channel you selected, and send a quick test message. Then switch back to Make. If everything is working correctly, you'll see a green numeric bubble appear on the Slack trigger module showing that the event was captured instantly. At that point, you can map the captured fields, such as the message text or user details, into the next steps of your scenario. Finally, turn the scheduling toggle from off to on so the automation stays active. Your real-time Slack trigger is now live.